delivery from Amazon. I haven't ordered anything from Amazon. I never order anything from Amazon. Is that actually for me? I mean, you got the right address. I think this might actually be not for me, because I don't do Amazon. Sunglasses, more sunglasses. It could be someone else's delivery, not mine, because part of the label has been ripped off. It's the right oak clove, but I didn't order this. This is not. David Conway? Yeah, I think this is basically somebody else's delivery, but the label's been printed wrong. So, I guess I can see if I can find somebody called Conway.